Bloopers.
No, it's not there. Not there.
Hey guys, it's Colt from Jolt Outdoors bringing you a video from our last day of ice fishing for this season. We had a crazy fun time on the lake along with some great weather. My brother and his friend Chris found this great spot on Lake Diefenbaker in Saskatchewan, and it definitely paid off. We didn't get skunked, we got 7 fish, and a couple of those ended up being monsters. So let's jump into the video.
Sure. I saw it on my sonar. Oh, look down the hole. That's not it.
Nice.
Oh, there's something on here. Oh,
Once you get close, go slow.
Okay. Yep, I see him. He's right there. Holy.
Yeah!
Oh,
There we go! Holy
oh yeah, there we go.
I'll get out of the sun here.
Oh. I don't think it's not big.
Still fish.
Little one?
Little guy.
Alright, you ready?
See, you never bring back your family. Yeah.
Does it say it's recording?
Yeah, it does.
He took a lot of lines, so I don't know.
It's a little guy? Oh yeah. Still a fish.
Yeah.
Fifth fish of the day.
Just rigging up the hot dog. This is Jolt Outdoors secret. Ancient outdoor secret.
We had some good luck with the smolts today, but we'll see how Oscar Mayer does.
Oh, we got a fish on.
Yeah, when he comes up, yeah. Oh, he's not resident.
Neither did the other one.
Oh, he's actually that's pretty big. Drag, man.
Any bite marks?
Nope.
Nothing on the Oscar Mayer. Grilling. He took the whole dog. Mean.
There he goes. That's a good one.
Oh, he's wrapped too.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta pull him right out.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. I got pliers and jaw spreaders right here. Do you want to grab that?
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our video. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, go over to joltoutdoors.shop for some sweet swag for this summer. I want to thank Chris and Greg for coming out. We had a blast. We had a really good day on the lake with some great weather. We caught a lot of fish, a lot of big ones. If you haven't already, go over to Instagram, follow Unguided Angling. That's Chris's fishing account. And last but not least, subscribe and like to this video for more outdoor adventures from me and John. I hope you had a good one and stay safe.